This video covers the setup and configuration of client user entitlements. Client user entitlements. A list of enrolled accounts is displayed in the box on the left titled Available Accounts. To grant a user one or more entitlements to an account or accounts, move accounts from Available Accounts to Selected Accounts. Single right arrow moves the selected account to the right. Double right arrow moves all accounts to the right. Single left arrow moves the selected account to the left. Double left arrow moves all accounts to the left. User privileges. To assign the user all privileges to the selected accounts, click All. To remove all privileges on the selected accounts, click None. Change transaction status allows the user to pay or return a transaction from the transaction history screen. Since this entitlement is performed via the transaction history page, the entitlement of transaction history must also be granted. Load issuance file allows the user to load a file that contains check issuance information. Manage issuance file templates allows the user to create and modify templates for issuance data mapping. Manual issue file allows the user to manually key in issue items. Transaction history allows the user to access transaction information. View issuance file status allows the user to view the status of issuance files loaded into the system. View issue items allows the user to view items in the issue items warehouse. When finished, click the Save User button.